Hey everyone, welcome back to InfoSphere. Today I'm diving into how 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing. If you're a tech enthusiast, this is something you won't want to miss. So, what exactly is 3D printing? It's a process where material is joined or solidified under computer control to create a three-dimensional object. Think of it as building something layer by layer, like a high-tech automated baker frosting a cake. But let's talk about why this is such a game changer for manufacturing. First off, customization is a huge benefit. Traditional manufacturing methods are great for mass production, but they fall short when you need something specific or unique. With 3D printing, you can create one-off items tailored to exact specifications, whether it's a custom car part or a bespoke medical implant. And then there's the speed. Rapid prototyping means you can go from concept to prototype in a fraction of the time it used to take. Imagine having an idea in the morning and holding a physical model of it by the afternoon. That's a reality now. One of the most exciting aspects is the reduction in waste. Traditional subtractive manufacturing, like machining, often involves cutting away excess material, which can be wasteful. But 3D printing is additive. It uses only the material needed to create the object, making it far more efficient and environmentally friendly. Another point to consider is supply chain flexibility. In a traditional setup, manufacturing is often centralized and parts are shipped globally. With 3D printing, you can produce parts locally on demand. This could dramatically reduce shipping costs and lead times, making the whole process more responsive and resilient. And let's not forget about innovation. Because prototyping is faster and cheaper, inventors and engineers can experiment more freely. This opens up new possibilities in design and engineering that were previously out of reach. But of course, no technology is without its challenges. Material limitations and the initial cost of 3D printers can be hurdles. However, as technology advances and becomes more accessible, these barriers are gradually being overcome. So, what's the bottom line? 3D printing is reshaping the landscape of manufacturing in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. From customization and speed to waste reduction and innovation, its impact is profound and growing. Alright, that wraps it up for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in to InfoSphere. See you in the next video.